Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Binance verification failed. So firstly what you need to do is you need to open the Binance app on a device and make sure you are logged into your account already. So next is you need to select this three-line icon in the top left. So over here in the top over here your profile is unverified. To view the status of your verification you need to simply select that. And if a verification was rejected, Binance will usually provide a reason over here. And read the message carefully to understand what needs to be corrected. If the issue is related to your identity document, make sure you're using a valid government issue ID that has not expired. When taking photos of your document, ensure all four corners are visible. And if Binance requires a selfie or facial verification, complete it in a well-lit area. And also double check that the personal information you entered, such as your full name, date of birth, residence, document issuing country or region, matches your identity document exactly. And after correcting that, you need to follow the on-screen instruction and continue to it. And that is it. That is how you can fix a Binance verification failure. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.